Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal Auto Loan account, secure access step by step clearly. To log into your Navy Federal Auto Loan account, start by opening your web browser. Type in the official Navy Federal website URL. On the home page, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, paying attention to upper and lower case letters. If you want to stay logged in on that device, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is entered, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts provided to recover or reset your login information. For additional security, you may be prompted to verify your identity via a code sent to your registered phone or email. After verification, you will be returned to the login page. Re-enter your username and password and click Login once again. Once logged in, you can access your auto loan account information securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.